Alright. Hello everyone, I'm Dren Hatamata. Well, at long last, after having gone through some trial and error, I've got my computer back up and I'm gonna overhaul my channel. So, now let's figure out. Now, the stream starting soon was, for the most part, all done by Jorgogo. Run back to it. There we go. It might be easier to listen to. Jorgogo designed all this, and how do I do the shadow? Is that how you do it? Did I do it? I don't think I did that right. Shit. Let me go ahead and give him a shout out just because. Oh, that's what I did wrong. Alright. / shout out. Ah, I see. There's a whole bunch of / things. Excuse me. There we go. Awesome. Okay. Let's see. Alright, so first thing, probably we can do gameplay, because that'll be probably the next thing I do. Just play a friggin' game. Alright. So let's see what we got. Go ahead and add a media source that Gorgogo also made me. Oh, it's gonna be an image, I believe. Alright, let's find that. Shit, where'd I put it? Here we go. Alright, and... oh, yeah. Okay. So now, I want to have a game capture. Let's add that source, just as game capture. Auto. There's nothing there. So let's shrinky-dink this up. Want this about right here. There we go. Alright, can I set up a border? Allow transparency. Alright, so that should be good, and I can add my other stuff down here. Let's go ahead and see if we can add a chat box. Da 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 da. Chat chat chat. There we go. Oh, that looks cool. For Twitch. Alright. Disable messages, animations, no. Text color. I wish I could have it, like, inverted. So that a little bigger. Background color. Characters browser settings. Refresh cache of current page. Okay. Right now it's right there. 1, 2, 3. Okay. So there's that thus far. That is hard to see. Okay. And, alright. Okay. Alright, so I'm gonna need to do something a little different, because it doesn't want to... Alright. Let's do this. Where's the browser settings? Width? The width a little thinner. So let's try 450. Alright. So 450. Oh yeah, I also need to figure out how to do this other thing that I got. Oh, hello. What the hell? Oh, that's how it works. Oh, okay. It's a little closer. Alright, so now I need to... There we go. Okay. Wow, it just pops up. That's pretty fucking cool. Okay. I need a shape. Can I get like a trans color block? This color block will be screen background. We gotta screw around some stuff. Okay, so can I... Well, for one thing, I'd want this... Okay, there's the damn shifter. Oh, okay. Do I want it black? And... Okay, cool, 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 cool. I can change the transparency. So I can change the shape of it. It's fucking... God damn it, Google. I need your shit right now. Okay, so it's 400 by 400. Shit, wait, what? I'm an idiot. I can just do... What, 1920 by 1080? Wait a minute, wait a minute, wait a minute, wait a minute, wait a minute. Is it? Hold on a second. Is this like... Oh, it's like compressed and shit. Okay. Hold on. What is my... Alright, widgets. I think that's what I need to fix. Dashboard. Dashboard home. Settings. Multi-string. My output is wrong. Okay. That's what's wrong with it. Hello, I'm sorry for bothering you off your promotion of your channel. Channel viewers, followers, chatbots, etc. The price is lower than any competitor. I don't need that right now, though. I'm sorry, bud. United Decayer. That's not something I need. In fact, I'm actually doing stuff right now. It's just not necessary, man. I'm sorry. Don't know if I need to report that. Alright, alright, alright. So... Okay, so I need to... FPS style. Done. Okay. So can I do that right here, or do I have to... Do I have to redo this? Hold on. Hold on. Hold on. I can figure this out. I might have to do a quick end and then reapply. Because it looks a lot sharper here than it does on the end result. Yeah, let me try that real quick. I'll be right